rock. I'd like to take this time out to say, you're beautiful. From the way you do your hair to the way you put on that makeup. I mean, if you just take your time, you would see life with design. Something like the beauty that's inside you just as well as the outside.
Hey bombshells, it's Sadia Dior and I'm back with another client tutorial. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm going in with my Hydro Grip Hydrating Primer and I'm applying that all over her face. Now I'm using my Precisely Brow Pencil. It is the double-sided one that comes with the spoolie and the pencil. I always start by outlining the bottom of the brow and then I create the arch at the top. After that, I fill in the brows. Once I'm done creating the shape of the brows I like, I go in with a concealer that is one shade lighter than my client, and I'm going to carve out her eyebrows and clean up any mishaps. Using my Real Techniques concealer brush, I'm going to pat in that concealer because this will act as a base for my eyeshadow. To ensure that all the hairs of the brow stay in place, I'm using dual adhesive glue. Using my MAC 224 brush and my Bow Leaf Beauty Nude Essentials palette, I'm packing this brown shade all over her lid and I'm dragging it into her crease. To cut her crease, I'm using the same concealer that I use for underneath her brows, and I'm using my flat brush for a Morphe. Going back in with my Real Techniques brush, I'm going to set that concealer and make sure it's dry. While allowing my cut crease to dry, I'm using my MAC 224 brush and I'm applying this dark brown shade from the Bow Leaf View palette, and I'm applying that to the outer V and dragging it up into her crease. Now I'm going in with this new color from the Bow Leaf View palette and I'm packing that all over the lid. The birthday girl had no idea what her look was going to be. Her mother requested rhinestones, so I'm applying some rhinestones and I just surprised her. I'm using my duo adhesive glue. When I'm doing a cut crease, I usually do one eye first and then a second eye so I can make sure that it's cohesive. For foundation, I'm using the Kiss Pro Touch Liquid Foundation, and I'm applying that all over her face. All the products used and links will be listed in the description box below. Going back in with that same concealer, I'm going to highlight her nose, her forehead, her chin, underneath her eyes, and using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend that in. Using that same beauty blender, I'm going to set the concealer using Laura Mercier's translucent powder. After allowing the setting powder to sit for about 30 seconds, I'm gently brushing it off. To give her look the wow factor, I'm adding a rhinestone to her baby hair swoop and the inner tear ducts. I'm applying this nice pink highlighter from Fenty Beauty. Since our eye glam is already dramatic, I chose to opt out for some wispy lashes, and it really made the look pop. Using my One Size setting powder by Patrick Starr, I'm applying that all over her face to finish the look. Going in with my favorite lip pencil by MAC, Cork, I'm just going to line her lips. I'm applying this gold metallic lip gloss because her face was glowing, so I wanted it to match. And then I'm going to top it off with some clear lip gloss from NYX Butter Gloss. As you can see, my client was so in love with her, and she was like, period, and I was like, purr. And I'm setting it with the MAC Fix Plus spray, and she is off. Happy Sweet 16, Dora. I'm so happy that I was a part of your Sweet 16. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah.